I'm so happy that I could do this makeup look. Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to recreate a look I saw on Pinterest, and it's basically this photo. I'm not going to do the whole base and everything. I'm just going to do the eyeshadow look, and I'm so excited because I've never done something like this. Usually I just make something up and just do it, but it's gonna be interesting. And the old lady is watching me make a video from the balcony. Either way, I hope you guys will like it. Let's go. I put some purple here, and it's basically from this one right here. And I think this one will match the best, because if I use this, I think it will be too purple and too dark, and the makeup look is kind of bright. And yeah, I'm going on the inner corner that's green. I'm going to use this one right here, the lime green one. I don't have that many greens, I noticed. I have like 3 lime green, and you can see which one that it is. This one, this one, and this one. And these ones are shimmery, so I'm going to use the one that's not as shimmery, and it's basically this one. So I'm going to use this one and this one, and I think it will look really great. I hope it will, at least. Either way, so I'm just going to put some here, as you can see. And I'm going to put it on my eyelid, and then kind of use another brush to blend it outwards, so it's fine. I think it looks nice, not a lot. I think this will work. I don't know if the light is that flattering, but I don't have any kind of lights. Anyway, here's this. I don't know, I find it really cute. Let's just try the other. Not gonna lie, this color is really pretty. Not gonna lie, like, wow. So I just finished putting the coat of purple on top of the eyelids, and I really like it. It looks really good just by itself. But obviously we're going to put the green. It's going to be this green that's like a bit lime, and I'm really excited, to be honest, because like I'm almost done. And yeah, look. So this is a close-up of how it looks so far. Looks really great. Okay, so this color are pretty pigmented, as you can see here. Okay, and I'm just going to boom. Yes, it is. I think it will, to be honest, work best if I put it with my fingers in general. Wait a minute. Ooh, pigmented. Oh my god, this looks gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Hey, this looks gorgeous. It was so much better with putting on the finger. I'm just going to do it on the other eye as well. And then I just got a bit. And then I'm just going to blend it like with the. Oh my god, wait. Wait a minute. I want you guys to see it, okay? Wait. Like this, okay? Wow. Oh my gosh. This works so well. Oh. Okay, so let's do this like this. And then like this. Oh my gosh, it already looks like the picture. Not gonna lie, this is gorgeous. Here's a close. Oh my gosh. What? This was so easy as well. Like, what cannot have taken more than like 15 minutes to do this? What? What? Why? I already know that I love this blush palette. So I'm going to put it like this. So I'm actually like pleasantly surprised that I actually managed to do this. This is so pretty in my opinion. I usually don't do this kind of looks, but like I should definitely do it, because this one, I think it looks like the picture. Not gonna lie, I think it looks like the picture. I'm so happy over it. Like, do you guys not agree? Because I like it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Like, I hope you learned something. I hope you know what, I'm just so happy that I did this makeup look. And to be honest, I'm at home alone right now, like nothing to do, so I'm really happy over doing this makeup look. I hope you guys had a like really nice time watching this. I hope this isn't too long, and I hope you guys like it. Bye.